Please don't tell us. Oh,
Oh wait, have you got your passport?
yeah.
Let me just check. Yeah. Is it open again?
Still open. There you go.
Idea of an after party setting.
In a kitchen or like a lounge? There's the accident
I
there.
love the kitchen. The kitchen's for me. Right, now you've picked a few after party tracks for us.
Where are we gonna park? Stairs. It's 7 o'clock already.
Says 8 minutes.
Will we make it?
Yeah.
Pushing it?
7:32.
You what?
7:32.
Yeah. Supposed to be here at 7. Let's just hope. Oh, it's the last thing we need. It's telling him to go in there. Please don't tell us. Oh, for f***'s sake. First time. You know. It's all we needed.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Right,
Turn it on.
leave it on.
That tell us off for security reasons again.
Right, I'm not supporting. This is all we needed. It's always the way.
She didn't need that thing.
Morning. Bruh. What's it?
This one.
Oh. Well, you get to experience this now. You've never done this. Did it,
Yeah, but I don't want to.
did it with recall? Yeah, I know it's always bad
Could
timing.
have stayed till in bed.
I know. Might as well have now because we'll just blame these, tell them why we're late. Oh,
Yeah.
Usually they tell you to get out and open your bonnet and all sorts. That's a new one.
What kind of slob is that though?
Isn't it?
She put something on the car so we get stopped again.
Say again.
Has she put something on the car so we get stopped again?
There's no more checks now anyway. That's the only check in here.
What's she swabbing though? I don't understand.
They've got some new thing there. I'm going to have to Google that. Never seen that before. Like I say.
Oh, what I don't get is they swabbed their car with the same thing as ours.
Was it the same?
Yeah.
Well, they didn't touch the car. They just sort of like scanned it.
No, she used something to swap the handles.
Swap the handles?
Yeah. That's what she did. The boot, the handles, and then went back.
Oh, maybe, well.
I think they're just wasting time because there's too many people on the car.
Nah, I think if you've been handling any substances, probably showing the handles.
Yeah, but if she didn't swap it.
She didn't swap?
No. So if they did and then we did, we'll get their stuff one back.
Oh my days. Very nice ferry. 7:35. It's a good job.
DFDS, go straight.
It's a good job we're in on the Irish ferry.
This is the ferry.
Yeah, you just have to open your bonnet, boots.
Maybe need to be in this one bit.
Which one's got
Behind
this?
that van. Oh, that one, yeah, next to it. That one. Car, left. Oh,
Why go left?
because there was nothing in that one.
And there's nothing here because I've seen the barriers open.
That made it up.
Oh no. Oh, well, we'll see. It's going to be tight. Cross your fingers in. Yes, please. Morning. Thank you. Morning. You alright? What did you say? Yeah, I did actually. Morning. Morning. Our part's closed off again. They're over there. Our usual spot, eh? I'll be alright. You getting one? Morning. No. You getting one? See if I remember this cold. I'll show you that. Oh yeah, that hashtag's gone, it's an E.
Why did you turn it off? I just turned it on.
Ah,
Stupid.
no, because it was just pointless recording.
No, you didn't want you to get yourself in the video.
And that.
that on purpose?
How can I do that on purpose? I tried to take my... Let's get our spot there, really. We're just double check today anyway. Where you want to go then? Chicken place?
No, not
Taste whole bar. So what do you think to eat now then?
Let's have Belfry.
Oh, so what are you going to have then?
And then have finger.
We stretch time. We stretch time. We stretch time.
The first meal.
Oh my gosh.
We stretch time. We stretch time. We stretch time. We stretch time.
Oh, room floor 1. Bruh. Right, yeah.